Welcome to DXMINI. In this brief demonstration, I'm going to show you how to set up the frequency pair for your DXMINI XL duplex board. Once you're at the PiStar Dashboard, click on Configuration in the upper right hand corner. If you're asked for a username and password, your username is PiStar, all in lowercase, and your password is Raspberry, all in lowercase. Under radio frequency, for RX, that is going to be the frequency that your DXMINI will be listening to when you transmit on your radio. So remember, that would be your TX frequency on your radio. In this case, I have mine set to 446.075. Your TX frequency will be the frequency that your DXMINI transmits to your radio, and that'll be the frequency that your radio is listening for. In my case, I have it set up as 441.075. One thing to note is I am using a 5 megahertz split. You can set this up to whichever you like, but use nothing less than 5 megahertz. All the other settings remain the same as the DXMINI. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Go over to our website, DXMINI.com, pull down that contact form, shoot us an email, or give us a call with a phone number listed. Thanks for visiting DXMINI.